They're also giving tax breaks for businesses. Again, a stimulus. It's, they're looking at SMEs who fund lots of Australians and Australian towns and cities. So this is fantastic. Temporary full expensing has also been extended, as has temporary loss carryback has also been extended. So in essence, they've given small businesses a tax break for longer. What should small business owners be talking to you about, Roy?
This is a little piece of gold that I don't think a lot of people have picked up on. We have the ability to go out and buy equipment that we need. Never waste money to get a tax deduction because you only save the tax rate that you're on. But here's the gold. If you have equipment you need and you go out and buy that before June 30, then you may create a loss which allows you to claim back tax you actually paid to the tax office last year. Now, that might sound a little convoluted. How do we work that out? The message is between now and June 30, get some tax planning. What eventuated in the budget was that they're extending this full write-off through to 30th of June 2022. So if you can't get a delivery of something like a piece of equipment, machinery at the moment, like earth digging machinery, you won't get delivery before 30th of June. But at least you can plan it for the following year now. And I think tax planning is crucial.
Yeah. Can I extend on that a bit? Roy, you and I speak about this a lot when we're talking about businesses. I think your first point was really important. Don't waste a tax credit just to get something you don't need. So not only should this slide here or these points become part of your tax plan, but they should, in essence, become part of your business plan with your accountants as well.
Yes, totally. Yeah. Setting your goals, your business plan and setting your goals for a business. And also we roll that into personal as well.
Correct. So cash flow forecasting, making sure you're in the right spot, not just for a tax deduction.
Yeah. Now, accountants often get criticised for not being proactive. Bear in mind, we tend to work with the clients who are most proactive. If you're sitting back listening to this and you're thinking, should I or shouldn't I get tax planning advice? The answer, if you're in business, the answer is yes. It's going to be valuable. So get on the phone, get an email off to your accountant so you get something, a meeting or a review of where you stand before June 30.
Yeah, absolutely. Individuals can benefit from that too as well, and particularly wrapping individual wealth with their accountants.
They can, because we'll see some slides soon about superannuation. And if you're an individual and you want to save some tax, there's some great I think one of the other pieces of gold out of this presentation and out of the budget will come up a little bit later.
Yeah, great. I think the next slide is everyone's going to be a little bit excited about wage subsidies. The government will provide 50% of the wage bill for 12 months for employers hiring new apprentices. I think that's fantastic. There's lots of opportunity for businesses to grow and people to receive new skills. The subsidy is available to businesses in group training and a number of places uncapped, which I think is great. Small businesses need to do anything in particular around that. I think this sits with business planning as well, because another opportunity to grow with 50% of your wage bill.
Oh, it's a terrific incentive. The fact that they've extended it is good. And it's a way that businesses can gear up a little bit, and it's an encouragement to put on more apprentices at half the price. And by the time you got half your wage paid, you've got the apprentice coming out a little bit, a year later, knowing a little bit more about the job. So you're being compensated for the pain of training somebody. Yeah.
The chance to grow, as we all know, cash flow is king in SMEs, and your biggest bill is on, obviously, your wages. Or
correct.
Generally your wages. Yeah. Okay, so great incentive to talk to your advisors about that as well.